Okay, this is Indy's first swim. Oh, he's gonna drown his brother. He's good at attacking the water. Throw the ball in for him, honey. Hurry before Indy loses interest. There we go. Go get it. Go on, you can swim. Oh, he's swimming. All right, he's swimming. He's swimming. Swimming and eating water. Swimming and biting the water. Good job. What a good swimmer. There you go. I think he wants to go out and get the ball too. Cowboy's making some funny noises.
Take in some water.
Throw it, Dad, throw it. Throw it, Dad, throw it. Go get it, Indy. No? You want to bite the water?
It's fun with killing the water.
Get that water. Get that water. Don't drown your brother. Don't drown him. Don't drown him. Why does he do that?
Got to get past the gauntlet.
He's a good swimmer.